ChatGPT may charge $42 a month for a paid tier as Microsoft invests again $42 a month. They're like, our stuff is so good. It is so good
to cheat
and
now.
so useful that here's what we can charge for it.
Yeah.
Damn, that is a type of confidence you can't even deal with. What do you pay $42 a month for? Almost nothing. Almost nothing is coming in that heavy. And why you think Microsoft keeps throwing billions at it? Not to say there aren't other companies in the same space, and people are skeptical about Microsoft, whether Microsoft should be investing as much as they are. But you have to imagine just what we've seen to this point, the amount of progress we've seen to this point. It certainly feels like there's some money to be made. Mm-hmm. I think you could agree to that.
Yeah.
And people are talking about writing entire articles and research and legal defenses and using this style of AI. So the number of products that could be derived from something like this, you can't even begin to fathom. A tremendous data set and a tremendous ability to deliver on that data set with context and in a conversational manner. That's every business ever. That's all the entire services industry. That's like, so Microsoft is like, what do you want? 5 billion, 10 billion, 50 billion? What do you want? And they're sitting there.
$42 a month.
Well, to the customer.
At this point.
They're like to the customer because, and then Microsoft said, that's why Microsoft is doing what they're doing is because they're seeing business opportunity. Obviously, they're a business. Here's how this article opens, by the way. Write an Excel formula to copy the value from a cell whose row begins with a cell marked banana and a column with a cell containing the word dog. And then it goes off and does it. This is Minority Report stuff.
Yeah.
We all get names for our ChatGPT style assistants, and they're just... Will's going to be like, I have 27 clips that need to be titled, ranging in topics from da-da-da to da-da-da. Please go ahead and title those clips, ensure there is no copyright infringement, and publish those clips at a schedule ranging from 7 a.m. on this date to 7 p.m. on that date. And Will's like, I will pay you $46 a month.
Oh, yeah, definitely. You know, I actually tried titling some of these videos, these clips.
Easy,
on,
brother.
GPT.
Easy, brother. Microsoft said Monday that is entering a third phase. You can't tell the people that. They have to believe this is your expertise, Will. Well, okay, you guys see if you can pick out on the Clips channel the titles that Will actually put versus the ones that were generated via AI. Microsoft said Monday it is entering a third phase of its relationship with ChatGPT developer OpenAI through a multi-billion-dollar investment, but the deal may come with a price for us users too. A possibility of a $42 monthly professional tier subscription that sources say OpenAI is testing among early adopters. They say, and they're going to give it to you for free and then say, "Don't you like that?
Yeah.
Wasn't that good?
Wasn't that tasty?
Can we please have $42 from you now?" Yeah, could be a big deal for Microsoft. Shout out. Way to go. It could also be a disaster. Who knows? Yeah. Ad execs and ChatGPT. What about AI in marketing? It will create the majority of the work. Creative industries in general. We talked about lawyers on the most recent, which arguably creative, arguably arguing arguments as a lawyer. Artists, visual artists, music, journalists, writers, whatever, you name it. Disruption across
anything
the board.
With words.
Disruption across
pixels.
The board. Anything about anything. Anything that humans generate. What about in advertising? People were really nervous about advertising when we showed off that one clip which went boom, the clip with the fake party images. My question was similar. What do the AI-generated people of our futuristic AI-generated ads, what do all these things look like? And how do our images of ourselves change when they really refine this thing? And we are all these meaty slugs compared to the beauty and wonder of the perfectly concocted AI-generated people that are shown to us dynamically, where we're not even seeing the same AI-generated people because your tastes and flavors happen to be different than mine. All we're seeing in our eyes is some version of perfection, and not perfection in the way that you might think about it. Not a perfect ideal, but instead just whatever happens to be perfect for you so you can pull out your perfect wallet and buy your perfect goods. on Perfect Street.
Okay, yeah. Just to cap it off.